Hello everyone. Today we are going to understand basics of trigonometry. Consider these two figures. That is right angle triangle. Can you can you calculate the unknown sides of the triangle? Of course we can calculate by Pythagorean theorem. Okay, let's go ahead. Consider this two triangle. Here we don't have given a two side. Instead we have given one side and an angle. In this case, can we? If you can, that's a great thing, but if you don't, then this is the opportunity to learn something new. That is trigonometry. Basically in trigonometry, it deals with relation between angles and a side in a right angle triangle. Let's dive into the whole concept of trigonometry. Consider the previous triangle that we have given a side 4, 3 and 5. Here 5 is hypotenuse. Now let's calculate a ratio that is ratio of p or h, p and h. So 4 by 5 is 0.8. And one more thing that we have noticed here, angle of this triangle is 53 degree. Okay, so how we have calculated the 53 degree? You can calculate easily by this triangle, for this triangle, in scientific calculator. So ratio is 0.8. Now we have exceeded the two sides, hypotenuse and base, in such a way that it's become 10, that is hypotenuse, and base become 6. So now the new ratio comes, that is 8 by 10, also 0.8. Okay, so one thing you should notice that in all the case we are getting the ratio 0.8 for angle 53 degree. You supposed to note it, this one. Let's another one. Now someone else will come and ask, he will ask me that could you do the could you calculate the hypotenuse of this triangle? That the same problem we have seen the earlier, that is one side given and one angle. So as we know, for 53 degree angle, for a right angle triangle, ratio of perpendicular to hypotenuse is 0.8. Now we have given perpendicular, so p by h equal to 0.8 and h becomes 2.4. Congratulations, you solved the problem of trigonometry. Now, as we have seen that one ratio p by h is named as sine theta. So there is 6 combination you can make out of this. How? You can do is this way: p by h, or p by b, or h by, sorry, b by h. These three ratio, fundamental ratio, you can calculate, and by reversing it, it's another three arrive. So total 6 combinations we will going to use in the whole trigonometry. As earlier we have calculated the value of ratio p by h for 53 degree angle, that is 0.8. But in trigonometry we have we need to calculate, we will require sum of angle, that is 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 for all 6 ratios. So it's already given, you supposed to memorize it for the solving problem. Thank you very much.